Hello students, in this video we will solve this question number 6. Here in the image there are three right angles, right? So we need to find out in the first part TQ, right? TQ we need to find out. So where is TQ? TQ is here. This is TQ, right? This is triangle 1, this is triangle 2, the center one, the middle one is triangle 2, and this one is triangle 3, right? So we need to find out TQ. So how are you going to find out TQ? Two things we must need: angle and one side of the right angle triangle must be known. So TQ is here, so we will take the middle triangle like this one. Okay, so triangle TQS. So we are finding part 1. For part 1 we need to find out the length of TQ, right? So we are taking triangle PQS. Okay, we need to find out TQ in triangle TQS. Okay, now here we have angle 60. Angle S is angle 60, and right angle triangle. Where is right angle triangle? The right angle triangle is here. This is right angle triangle. Okay, so where is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is this one. Okay, so the length of the hypotenuse we have, which is 25 centimeter, right? And angle S is given to us. So we need to find out TQ. So TQ is opposite to angle 60, right? So here we will write down opposite. We need to find out opposite, and opposite is TQ. Okay, so we have mnemonics. We have three functions: SOH, CAH, and TOA, right? S, sine, cos, and tangent. Okay. Okay. Now, so what we have hypotenuse and opposite. So we will apply what? We will apply this. SOH means sine. Okay, so for sine we have 60 degree equals to O opposite, it's TQ, okay, over hypotenuse, it's written H here, so 25. Now we need to do a cross multiply and find out TQ value. Sine 60. So find out the value of sine 60 and then multiply it with 25, right? So what is sine 60 here? Sine 60 and multiply by 120, 25, sorry. So we will get 25 sine 60, answer is 21.7, right? 21.7 centimeter. This answer is nearest to 3 as if, right? So we have done part 1. Now part 2. Okay. Part 2. Okay, in part 2 we need to find out PT. So where is PT, students? Yes, where is PT? PT is the one leg of a right angle in the first triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, PT. So again we need two things. One is the angle, theta, and one known side, right? So TQ we have found, which is the one side of the another side of basically the right angle. So here, if this one is 60 degree, right, this is 60 degree, so opposite side is also 60 degree. So this is also 60 degree. Okay, so this one is also 60 degree. So here, what things that are given to us in the right angle triangle one? The first one we have. This is hypotenuse, right? This is hypotenuse. Okay. This one PQ is hypotenuse of triangle PQ. So here we are going to find out PT. Okay. PT is equals to question mark, right? So in this PT we have a triangle PTQ. Okay. In PTQ we have hypotenuse, which is PQ, right? And we have PT, one leg of the right angle, and TQ. So TQ is known. Okay, TQ we have found it in the very first part, which is 21.7 centimeter, right? And we need to find out PT. So PT is opposite to angle 60 degrees. See, it's opposite. So we need to, PT is basically opposite. So here we will write down opposite is given to you, which is PT. Okay, and angle S beside angle S, this is adjacent. Okay, TQ is adjacent for a triangle PTQ. So TQ is adjacent. So I'm writing here adjacent. So which functions that you need to use, we mentioned in the top. We have adjacent and opposite. Adjacent and opposite. It means that we need to use, TOA. Tangent, right? So tangent 60. Okay, O opposite and adjacent. So 1060, opposite is PT. Here it's given, it's PT, and adjacent is 21.7. Right? Now, very simple. We substitute the values. Now find out PT easily. Here we need to do a cross multiply. So PT 21.7 and 1060. Multiply both of them. So we will get the answer for the PT, and PT is 1060 and 21.7. So answer is 37.5. And this 37.5, yeah, 37.5 centimeter, meter, centimeter. Okay, we have found the second part. Now what we need to do, we need to find out the third part. Let's scroll down. Okay, in third part, what we need to do, we need to find out PR, right? So PR is basically the unknown side. When where is PR? PR is this one. This is P and R. Okay, the whole line from top to bottom. So from top to bottom, here this side is like one triangle, right angle triangle, and this is another triangle, right angle triangle. So first of all, we will find out the length of PQ, and then we will find out the length of QR, and in the end we add both these length. So first of all, in triangle 1, we have found we didn't find PQ. So how are we going to find PQ? So let's check what we have given in triangle, right angle triangle. First one. First of all, we have angle 60. Okay. So here third part, angle 60 is given to you, and here TQ, the TQ is there, and that is TQ is adjacent, right? TQ is adjacent. So adjacent is given to you. Adjacent is TQ. Okay, that we have found it earlier, and answer for that TQ was 21.7. Okay, so 21.7. So here we will write down 21.7. This is TQ. Okay, adjacent, and we need to find out hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is PQ, and this is unknown. Okay, and we have given 60 degree. So we have adjacent and hypotenuse. So which functions that we need to use here? A and H, curve. It means cos, right? C A H. Curve. Adjacent is given, and we need to find out hypotenuse. So we used cos 60 because it's mentioned 60 here in the diagram. So adjacent is 21.7 and hypotenuse is PQ. Come on, cross multiply, and then we will find out the answer. So here PQ cos, sorry, 60 equals to 21.7. Okay, and then the cos 60 will shift to the other side. So PQ is equals to 21.7 over cos 60. Come on, students, find out the answer, and we will get 21.7 divided by the value of the cos 60. So we will get PQ. So PQ is, yes, student, what is PQ? Do you have found the PQ answer? PQ is 43.30, right? Right, 43.30. This is nearest to 4SF, right? Okay, now we have found PQ. What we need to find, we have found the first part. Now we need to find out the second part. Okay, for second part, the last triangle, right angle triangle. So we have 40 degree, angle 40 degree, right? Angle 40 degree here. 45 degree. 45 degree, we have adjacent. It's SQ, which is 25 centimeter, and we need to find out that the other side means QR. So QR is opposite to 45. So QR, it's opposite, right? And this we need to find out. So this is question mark. So according to angle 45 degree, we have given SQ is given to us. So we'll write down SQ. The measurement of SQ is 25 centimeter. So we have opposite, and SQ is what? SQ is adjacent. Okay, so this is adjacent, ADG. Okay, adjacent and opposite. So OA. So OA is basically tangent to R. So we will use tangent. Okay, tangent 45. Tangent 45, right? So tangent is opposite over adjacent. O is QR here, right? And adjacent is 25 centimeter, right? So come on, cross multiply. So we'll get QR 1045 and then 25. As we know that tan to 45 value is 1, so QR is equals to 1 times 25. So we will get QR is equals to 25 centimeter, right? So we have found two values, right? The first value was 43.30, right? 43.30. Now we need to find out therefore PR at both of these sides, PQ and QR. The first side we have found, which it was 43.30 and plus 25, right? So we will get 68.30 or 68.3, right? Centimeter. I hope students that you people understood this answer.